I have, let me say, I had a friend. She was once a principal for Southborough Primary School. She was JP for Gregory Park. She loved the police. She has a daughter who, she and I did have the same stress problem, nerve problem with our hand. And the daughter would go to Miami and get injection, and then over time the muscle get bad, and it's like she get too much of the steroid injection, and it cripple her. But she was a principal, the daughter was a principal, and her husband was a manager at one of the NCB branch. They have a beautiful home in Edgewater. Two nice children. They would travel the world on vacation because they're successful. Daughter gets sick and bedridden. And the husband and the children sleep upstairs and leave the sick woman alone downstairs to sleep at nights. Nobody check on her. So the mother heard, and the mother went one morning 8 o'clock and took her daughter out of the house and carried her to her house in Gregory Park. And you know, when the husband missed his wife, 1 o'clock the Saturday morning, the husband realized that his sick wife was not in the house. And I'm telling you, this mother took the daughter illness, because she has two children, a daughter and a son. And she took the daughter illness so personal that she just ended up sick and died. And I left Gregory Park then and became a probation officer. So I don't know. And then I wouldn't get the story anymore because the mother died. And sick women don't get any care. And we can't remember what happened to the church, the pastor church on the rock. We getting sweetheart for come in, for come take care of the wife. And 4 months after the wife dead, he married to the sweetheart. And you know what God do to him. So we women not get any care. And for those of you who excited and have good marriage and husband, me sick now and Chris treat me like a patient. Everyone I come in can ask, you need something? So I'm no longer his wife. I am now his patient. You not get no little love, you not get no little cuddle, you not get no little rub head, you not get no little touch. He loves me. Well, he no love me. Him care for me 1,000,000 miles apart. And 99% of women experience the same thing. May God help us.